Right guys, in this video I'm going to show you premium quality EQ features built in to Renoise, which is something that I didn't know, where you can really use to get powerful EQ frequency techniques in Renoise coming up now. It seems like there's a version of Renoise that I didn't know this, yeah. I've been using it for the longest while, but it's really good for monitoring EQ, and I never even knew this the whole time. Like, I spoke about graphic EQ previously in my other video where I mentioned Pro Q. FabFilter has the inbuilt graphic equalizer, and and they've also got that in Cubase and stuff like that, but in particular I didn't know this was available in Renoise on the cheap. FabFilter is a very premium plugin, and to be honest, I didn't know that you had this type of premium feature in Renoise. Now I'm going to show you something. When I play this track here now, we can go into spectrum analysis, and you go into this area here, and you can actually select a display A, say for example the Amen, and display B would be, say, your baseline, and you can monitor the different frequencies in between the two, so that when you're doing mixing you can kind of do frequency cancelling, or just make sure that stuff's not taking up too much room in the mix. Now I'm going to give you a little visual on that now, on a section of the track, and just check this out. It's really So there you have it, quick demo into that. I thought this is a really cool feature. Big up to Renoise for this. Absolutely awesome. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got anything out of it, please hit that thumbs up. I'm going to try and keep these tips coming. I promise to make more videos like this. If I get 100+ likes per video, it will be signaling me that you like the video, because many of you guys who watch my videos, you're not subscribed, or you don't actually press like when you watch a video. Don't cost anything to like, so yeah, it'd be lovely if you guys could support the channel. Anyway guys, that's it for today. Peace out.